College pun fibro kajim tip nam tai kuar light kami kai te kidon kumba lightly ki post kami kai ki balaj hapo Paryong Presbytery Higher Secondary School Paryong nam ta kine ki post assistant lecturer in economics qualification deban dep MA in economics with BEd salary kadai life lai hajar per month sibanai kawai ka post nam ta economics kawai ka post nam ta education assistant lecturer in education qualification de MA in education with BEd salary kadai life lai hajar sibanai kawai ka post kabalai kadai nam ta computer teacher qualification de BCE BEd one post ka salary kadai khandai hajar sibanai applicant should submit the application to the secretary managing committee along with contact number and relevant document on or before 20 September 2024 during working days. Tekan mau ki bakwa ban apply nam ta kini ki post lightly pihak ban late submit ya ki application ki jong fee hapo school ha ki school hour por balong school hapo Paryong Presbytery Higher Secondary School pihak late submit ya ki application ki jong fee hapo school but nam ta ki jing tip khamni aro pihak ban late kali hina school ki claim I number phone claim I te pihak ban late kali na school kan mau kelas date kan day arpotrik September arja arpsau tilada pikwa ban apply nam ta kini ki post ki balaj select ka bron kam pendap kita ki application ki jung fee select mi becha school nam ta ki jing tip ki khamnia te tangi nei jing tip publish bon